Hello viewers. Today I was telling about how to resize your photo to fit without cropping your photo in Instagram account. For that, you need to go to Instagram account, go to profile, click on plus button, post, click on which photo do you want. I was choosing a Naruto photo. Its size is very big, but it will enable to come perfect photo. If you press next means and after posting it will come half photo. I will show you the example. After finishing, it was come half photo. It's very big problem. For that, I have a solution. Come back and go to Play Store and download the Snapseed. Click on Snapseed. Click on plus button, plus symbol, and albums I have another photo. Click on that. Here we need to click on Tools. Click on Expand. Expand up and down. Click on right symbol. Click on Export. Save it on your. It will save to your gallery. Come back and go to Instagram account. Click on Profile. Click on Plus. Click on Post. Here now we have a perfect photo. Click on Next. Post it. Now you will see the perfect photo of your Instagram post without cropping. Thank you.